Computers are an awesome invention. They help us in our job, they keep us connected, and much more, but almost no one knows what they are made of. The computer since its invention has suffered many changes and several transformations, which can be classified in generations. Each generation pushes the man to create new knowledge. Computers will continue evolving and will be objective in the development of industries, research centers, professionals, and all people interested in technological advance, and will reach unimaginable applications. But before evolving, we must know how it works today. A computer system is the one that is composed by devices or physical components, called hardware, that interact through a set of established instructions. There are four main classifications for hardware: input, output, storage, and processing. Input devices are the ones where the information is introduced to the computer to be processed or transformed. The clearest examples are the keyboard and the mouse. We can also include webcams, microphones, touchscreens, etc. As for the output devices, these are the ones that show the processed data. These ones include the printer, monitor, speakers, etc. For processing, we have the Central Processing Unit or CPU. It consists of a set of instructions called SRs, the Arithmetic Logic Unit or ALU, and the Control Unit or CU, each one performing a different task. Altogether, the CPU is in charge of transforming data into information. For storage, we see the main memory, which interacts directly with the CPU in all input operations composed of the read-only memory or ROM, which is programmed by the manufacturer and cannot be changed, but only read, and the random access memory, which stores information that is executed at that moment and is renewed constantly. We also see the secondary memory, which are external storing devices like USBs, CDs, etc. For the software, we have the system software that administrates and controls the operation of the hardware. It includes the operating system and all utility programs that manage the resources of the computer. We also have the application software, which allows to execute specific tasks for the user. Operating system is the most important program on a computer. It allows the user to take control of the computer, both software and hardware. It is classified as multi-user that allows two or more users to execute programs at the same time, multitask that allows to execute two or more programs at the same time, and multiprocessing that has more than one processor. When talking about operating systems, however, there is one that goes up in the market: Microsoft Windows 7. Windows 7 is the most popular version of Microsoft Windows, an operating system produced by Microsoft for use on PCs, including desktops in homes and office, laptops, tablet PC, netbooks, and equipment media center. The development of Windows 7 was completed on July 22, 2009, being then confirmed its official sale date for the October 22 of the same year, with its equivalent for Windows Server 2008 R2. Windows 7 includes numerous updates, among which are advances in voice recognition, touch and writing, support for virtual disk, improved performance on multi-core, and better starting and improvements in core processors. Basic tasks of Windows 7, we can find the possibility of personalizing our computer in some components like the image of the user's account, the background desktop, the sounds of the system, etc. We can also use the edition options, which allow to cut, copy, paste, eliminate files and or folders or create new ones. The jump lists are an excellent tool since they show recent elements like folders of web pages and can be found if frequently used. Windows is very organized too. It has 4 libraries: documents, pictures, music, and video. It is easy to use as well. Most of the previous functions can be selected with the right click directly. Windows has some special tasks that level up the experience. The option Backup and Restore allows you to create backups of the files you consider the most important. The Action Center allows the user to see the letters and perform the necessary actions so the operating system works without problems. Windows comes equipped with security so you don't have viral problems. It comes equipped with firewall and antivirus, which ensure the computer isn't affected by viruses or malicious software. As time progresses, the computer's hard disk starts to fragment. To counter this exists the option of defragmenting the hard disk, which allows the computer to have access to all data in a quick way. Another way to optimize the computer is through Windows Ready Boost. This tool works by storing data in USBs instead of the hard drive, which is now destined to reach an improvement of the computer. The Windows memory tools can be used to diagnose the RAM's status, if it is fully operational or if it has errors. Finally, ObjectDock is a software that simulates the graphical environment of the OS X operating system. Unlike the previous tools, this one must be downloaded and installed. You can find it in stardock.com. 7 comes in two versions, one for 32 and one for 64-bit processors. The 64 version administrates great amounts of RAM in a more efficient way than the 32 version, but it may not work efficiently with computers at 32 bits. Therefore, if you don't know the version of the computer, you can obtain the 32 bits version, since it will work in both types of computers.